Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dal, Fili, Filipina, Chapina, Guatemala. Okay? Ahorita, now we will make tortilla, the typical food instead of rice of Guatemalan people, the local here. So this is just a simple place on where I saw my friend Blanca is doing tortilla. So I want to show you also. I want to learn also how it goes. Blanca, asin. This is the flour, corn flour. Okay? Because the basic here that rice is not rice, it is flour. Okay? So Blanca, is this the way or like this? Until it become round. So, since I am not that so Guatemalan, so see how they are they are expert of making tortilla. Okay, Lego here. Okay, and then a little bit. See. Siguro ako ang kakain yan. Kasi hindi siya bilog. If it is a bit dry, you have to put a little water in your hand. So this is how they do it. So I don't know how it becomes larger. Okay. The center point así. But you must be careful because it might get burned, the tortilla. So, okay, I'm sorry guys, but you know, I'm not yet expert, but soon I will learn how to make it. So I just want to show you how Blanca, my friend, is doing tortilla. Otherwise, no good for me. Yo quiero aprender. I want to learn. Poco.
Ay, aprender.
Asi na, parang dinadaya ko na. Ayan. It turns into square. So I think this one is okay. So this here, Guatemalan people, minimum Guatemalan people, they can finish, normal people, they can finish 4 tortilla. For this one, okay? 4 tortilla. But mostly, those people that eat a lot, they can finish up to 10 to 15 tortillas. Mostly men. Male people do it 20 tortilla or 10 tortilla. So what they do, they put the carne here, the meat, fried, and then they, see. So this is how it looks. I just want to show you how it is being processed. First, the mass, they prepare this flour, corn flour, to make tortilla. Okay? So they are already expert of that, but I'm not expert. I'm sorry, guys. Next time I will more practice. Okay?